welcome back to another educational video. So guys, in this video we are going to make a Rubik's Cube using tinkercad. So let's not waste time and start fast. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, first you got to take a cube like always, and you got to take another cube, and you got to make it smaller by 2 centimeter plus, and you got to make it longer. So you can make it longer how much ever you want. You just got to take it like this, make it a hole, and you got to make 2 centimeter down, 2 centimeter down from the top too. So you can just, there you go, it's ready. Now you just got to wait. First you got to copy this. Now you got to just merge these two. Now look, we have a one case of this open. Now we got to paste this. Now we got like, see, here we go. And now we got to put this. Now we got to merge these two again. And now we got to paste again. And now we gotta just turn this. So it's like we gotta turn it 90 degrees. So it should go through the box, okay? And if it doesn't, then your Rubik's Cube won't look good. So make sure it goes through the box. So here we have to take it one step up, um, like this, and like this, okay? So our Rubik's Cube is gonna be ready. You just gotta merge these two. Oh, I just said merge. Oh, sorry, I did control V by mistake. Just got to delete this and merge these two. Okay, so you gotta change this color to black, and here you go. Now you gotta take one more box like this, just make it smaller on 1 cm. 1 cm, is that correct? Or should I make it 2 cm? Okay, that's 1 cm. So just copy this and we'll paste it 5 times. One, two, three, four, five. So you gotta put this thing here, and it shouldn't be like this, okay? So it just gonna make everything small. Wait, uh, can we just go back? Yeah. Okay, so here you go. There you go. I gotta put this thing here, and you gotta make it smaller by 1 cm everywhere. So here 1 cm is small. Now you gotta go here, and you gotta see exact 1 cm to be small. So there you go, 1 cm is small here too. So you gotta take it like this, and now you gotta take this up. No, not this, not this, not this. You gotta take this up. So like this, you have to take this up, and you know what you have to do, right? You just gotta turn this. What just happened? Okay, that was a glitch. That was a glitch. You gotta just turn this. Come on. Okay, there you go. Our thing is ready. So our one side is ready. We just gotta control C this. Gotta control C this. Control V it. Now we gotta take this red and we gotta keep it like, we gotta keep it multicolor, and we'll keep this thing blue. Blue is good. So we gotta just change its angle by 90 degrees, exact 90 degrees. So we just gotta take, okay, I'll just use this by keypads. I'm going here so you get a better view. So there you go. Our blue is also ready. Go back, go back. Wait, it didn't come out right. Okay, it's in. It's exactly in. So now we are wait, it's not it. Okay, there you go. Now we again control V it and take this thing and we'll keep this yellow. Yellow will be good. Wait, first we gotta merge these two. And they are merged now, so you gotta just I got a little cup right now, so will it be fine if I excuse you for a moment? Um, that's fine. Done. So now we again got a control B and we got let's set this color orange. Orange be good. So orange is good. Now we just gotta go at this side and we gotta go here. Done. So now let's again control B it and let's set this pink. Pink be good. Where is pink? Okay, pink is here. Okay, so it's exact 90 degrees. So now we just going to take this thing out. Wait, it ain't exact 90 degrees. Wait, it's exact 90 degrees. Oh yeah, it is. So we just need control C and control V. And let's set this color green. We didn't set anything green. Okay, it's not an exact number. Done. So all our colors are set now. So our one part of the cube is ready. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, here you go. Look, I found a mistake. There you go. Look, mistakes are hidden everywhere. Done. So now you just wait. What is this? Really? Wait, I gotta. Okay, this one. Done. So wait, these things are gone. Wait, just unbox all of these. Not so much. Okay, wait. Where did everything go? Oh shit, I made a mistake. Let's go back. Yeah, there you go. Now we gotta set all these exact order so we don't have any problem looking at them like this. It's a really bad problem. I knew that the bottom one was bad, so you always gotta check it, okay? So here you go. Now we just got a multicolor. So now it's ready. One piece of the cube is ready. Now we just got means like copy this two times. Copy it. Control V. Let's keep this at the edge. This over here. Okay. So now like one third of the layer is complete. One third of a layer is complete. So, so now we won't be having any problems. So now it's very fast work. We can just full screen this. Take this here. Now we got to control C and control V. It again two times control V. Mm, so now it's like I guess it's complete. No, it isn't. Okay, there you go. Look, our one. No, wait, it isn't. Okay, there you go. Our one layer of the Rubik's cube is complete. Now we gotta merge this, and now we again gotta control V. Back. We now copy this. Control C, and we gotta paste it two times. So I'll just go here. Go at the most left hand. this be good. Let's take this at the top. Um, that's good. Done. Now you again gotta take this thing up. And now Rubik's Cube's third layer is going to be complete, so now we won't be having any problem looking at it. So all those who are excited to make a Rubik's Cube, you can go look at this video. So there are some measurements problem. Um, um, wait. I gotta use this screwdriver. Okay, there you go. Our cube is ready now. We just gotta. So let's go like this now. Okay, so here we got a pink, orange, red color, and here we have a blue and yellow, and at the most bottom we have a green color for sure. So guys, if you enjoyed making this Rubik's Cube, please like and share my video. For now, bye bye. But please hope I will send my next video soon.